In this video, I'll show you how to add an arrow in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to the section wherein you want to add your arrow. Let's say I want to add an arrow below this image, and on the right-hand side, I just want to simply hold and then drag in order for me to expand. Now, in order for you to add an arrow, what you need to do is add an image block. To do that, simply head over to the top and left corner of the section, and in there you will find an option to add block. Simply click on it. Now you want to head over to Essentials, and down below you will find Image. If you can't find Essentials and Image, there is a search bar at the top, and from here, just simply search for Image. Once that's done, simply hold on Image and drag it within your desired section. Now, the next step is to head over to the description of this video, and in there you will find a link for different types of arrow icons as well as symbols. In here, we have flat icon. Now on flat icon, I have here a lot of images of arrows. What you want to do is simply click on the exact arrow in which you want. I will simply choose this arrow, and once you're done, just simply click on it. Now, in choosing an arrow icon, it doesn't matter where you get it. I'm just suggesting that you could also get it from flat icon. Now from here, what you want to do is simply head over to the top and right hand side and click on PNG. And once that's done, head over to the bottom and click on free download. Now, once you're done downloading, head over back to Squarespace. From here, you just want to head over to the image block and at the middle, click on the plus sign. From here, you want to click on upload file and it will take you to your files, and in there, you want to choose the arrow that you downloaded. And once that's done, it will automatically load. And once it's finished, as you can see, we now have an arrow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.